Hey guys, how are you? So for today guys is we are going to unbox another smartwatch from Shopee. This is the T800 Ultra. Let's go. Hey guys, yes, we have another smartwatch here. This is the T800 Ultra, and if you're interested guys, you just tap on the link and I got this one from Shopee. Okay, so here it is guys. This is the T800 Ultra. This is the packaging. And this is the watch application iWatch Pro. So as you can see, this is the front of the box, and then on the side, so we have here smartwatch. So it's been a while guys since I have not uploaded videos. It's because I'm quite busy with my new job right now. Anyway, so what we have here guys is the black version. So let's open this one. Okay, and we have here the manual. So you can just look at the manual if you have any questions about the watch. And then guys, this is the strap. Okay, it looks nice. And then we have here these the watch and the wireless charging cable. So let's just have to do like this, and you can charge this one. So guys, let's take this one out, the cover. Alright, and here is the back of the watch. So I believe these are the sensors, and on the side, so we have here the button, and then the power on and off button, and the microphone if I'm not mistaken, and also the crown. And we also have here another button here. So this is the shortcut for sports. Okay, and this is the speaker here on the left. So guys, we have already turned it on, so let's check. So this is the crown guys. So whenever you move this one here, it will change to another watch face. So let's count the watch faces. So we have one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we've got 6 watch faces. And then when we tap on the crown, so we have here menus guys, or the application. So you can easily switch the grid style by just double tapping the crown. Yes. So in my case, let's just use this one so that we can see the application of our T800 Ultra. Okay, so let's swipe down guys, and let's check. Okay, there it says null, and then okay, I believe this is for the message. So this is different guys, because like when we swipe down, so I usually have the notifications, but in this watch, so when you swipe down, it will automatically direct you to the message app. And then when we swipe up, so this is now here the shortcuts. Okay, so we have here the airplane mode, the do not disturb mode, and the QR code. Okay, and then when we swipe to the watch face, and also when we swipe to the left, yes, to the right. Okay, and then so this is the on and off button, and then let's check the application. So we have also here the dialer. Okay, so when you connect this one to your phone, it will connect directly to it will dial directly to your smartphone. We have phone book, and then we also have here the heart rate. So as you can see, the sensors are lighting up, but as I mentioned before, we don't really have to rely on that one for health purposes. We also have here blood oxygen level. This is pretty nice. Okay, and then we have also the health tricyclic and ECG. I believe this is like for also for health. And then sports, we have running, bike riding, strength training, tennis, volleyball, and football. We also have here camera. This is for the camera remote control. Blood pressure. Okay. So let's check, guys, our blood pressure. Okay, our blood pressure, it says 120/85. Okay, so if you are just, doubtful, guys, you can double check the approved blood pressure monitoring apparatus. Okay, and then we have here music. This is for music control. Reset, weather, sleep. Okay, we have menu style, message, stopwatch, QR code, more, Siri. It has like Siri, guys. Then set the language, so you can go set the time, backlight time, so in my case like 30 seconds, set the date, set the time. So everything is just accessible here. We also have here calculator. So for me, guys, this watch is really like if you want to try a smartwatch but you don't have to spend lots of money, then I think this T800 Ultra is for you. So guys, at this moment is I'm gonna wear this one and let's see how it looks. Alright, guys, so now I'm already wearing our T800 Ultra smartwatch, and so far, guys, it's very nice. So you can like have this one as your present for your friends. Yes, and what's nice about this watch, guys, is that it's really affordable. So if you're interested, you can just tap on the link in the description box and then you can get one. Alright, and then I will be making a video or my review of this product, guys, for a couple of weeks. And if you have any questions, guys, just comment down below. And if you like this video, guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I'll see you on our next video.